When can I safely plug in my fridge after moving it?
Hey there! Welcome to our video discussion on when you can safely plug in your fridge after moving it. Moving a fridge can be a bit tricky, and it's important to handle it with care to ensure its proper functioning. In this video, we'll cover some essential guidelines to follow to safely plug in your fridge after moving it. So, let's get started.
Allowing the fridge to settle.
The first thing you should do after moving your fridge is to allow it to settle in its new location for a certain period of time. This settling time helps the fridge's compressor oil to flow back to its proper place, ensuring optimal performance. It is recommended to wait for at least 4 hours before plugging in your fridge after moving it. This allows the refrigerant and oil to stabilize and prevents potential damage to the compressor.
Checking the power source.
Before plugging in your fridge, it is crucial to check the power source in your new location. Make sure that the power outlet you intend to use is in good condition and properly grounded. Inspect the power cord of your fridge for any signs of damage, such as cuts or frayed wires. If you notice any issues, do not plug in the fridge and seek professional assistance to address the problem.
Cleaning and leveling.
While your fridge is settling, take the opportunity to clean and level it in its new location. Use a mild detergent and warm water to clean both the interior and exterior surfaces of the fridge. Pay attention to removing any dirt, dust, or residue that may have accumulated during the move. Additionally, ensure that the fridge is level by using a bubble level. Proper leveling helps the fridge function optimally and prevents any potential issues.
Initial startup and temperature settings.
After the settling time has passed and you have completed the necessary cleaning and leveling, you can now proceed to plug in your fridge. Once you have connected it to the power source, give it a few minutes for the compressor to start running. During this initial startup phase, it is normal to hear some noises as the fridge begins to cool down. After the initial startup, it's time to set the temperature settings. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to set the appropriate temperature for the fridge and freezer compartments. This ensures that your food stays fresh and safe. Allow the fridge to run for a few hours and then check the temperature with a reliable thermometer to ensure it is cooling properly. And there you have it. Following these guidelines will help you safely plug in your fridge after moving it. Remember to allow the fridge to settle for at least 4 hours, check the power source and cord, clean and level the fridge, and finally, perform the initial startup and temperature settings. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.